Under the Pradhan Mantri Street Banners Atmanivar Nidhi, PM Swanidhi and Mudra, the Manipur government today distributed loan amount to 3,362 street banners and regular banners during a function held at the Chief Minister Bungalow in Imphal. The loan disbursement program was organized by Mahut and Mudra. Chief Minister N. Biren disbursed the loan amount for the third phase. Several ministers were also present on the occasion. The overall COVID-19 tally in India rose to 96.77 lakh, while the total number of people who have recuperated from the disease reached 91.3 lakh, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated yesterday. The total coronavirus cases climbed to 96,77,203, with 32,109 new infections being reported in a day, while the death toll crossed to 1.4 lakh with 391 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 a.m. So, the deadlock between farmers from several states and the central government failed to end as talks between the two warring parties remained inconclusive on Saturday, even after 3 rounds of discussions. While the farmers' union leaders stuck to their demand for the repeal of the new farm laws, the government said they are ready to make amendments but not repeal. One person died and more than 315, including several women and children, have been admitted to the Government General Hospital, GGH, Ellora in Andhra Pradesh following an undiagnosed illness in the last couple of days. A media report said the number of inpatients, which was 55 on November 5 midnight and 170 by last morning, rose to 270 by evening and 315 by midnight. Patsoi constituency MLA A.K. Mirabai today urged the Manipur government to finish the Chinkai Ching treatment plant and hand over it to the masses. She was attending a function stone laying ceremony of a 0.8 ml capacity overhead tank reservoir and a 0.2 ml capacity emergency service reservoir at Changangai Uchekol in Imphal today. Deputy Director of Kangpopi Veterinary Hospital, Dr. R.K. Harshan, today organized a one-day awareness program on communicable diseases of livestock animals and their controls at Kangchuk Songlung. As part of the program, swine fever vaccine was given to pigs reared at Kangchup Chiru, Kangchup Gyaljang and Singdakoki areas. Rented houses at Nagamapal, Kangjabi Lerak Int, Imphal City were searched from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. by team of Imphal West Commando led by DSP Operations. During the operation, around 45 houses were searched and 150 individuals were verified. Kwakta Khuman Awang Development Youth Club KKAY has demanded Kwakta Gram Panchayat Ward No. 4 member Isimuddin to clarify his act of giving false information to police to arrest KKAYC members. Our correspondent reports that a press meet was held today over the matter at Kwakta Khuman. Polling for the first phase of Bodoland Territorial Council BTC election is underway. 130 candidates are in fray from Udalguri and Buxar Jilla in the first phase of BTC elections. 10 constituencies in Udalguri and 11 in Buxar goes to polls in the first phase of elections, in which 132 candidates are in the fray. 5 people were arrested after an encounter with police in East Delhi's Sakarpur area. It is suspected that some of them might have links to terrorist groups, media reports said today. 2 of them are from Punjab and 3 belongs to Kashmir. Deputy Commissioner of Police Special Cell Pramod Singh Kushwaha said that they have apprehended 5 persons after an exchange of fire.